Hi, I'm Memoir Finale, and this is my memoir about high school. Just kidding, it's actually about how I'm gay. I'm sure you're not shocked if you've ever seen a picture of me. It's kind of obvious. But, it's good on you for not judging a book by its cover. You know what? Kudos, props, whatever you want. Here's some cash, I guess. I don't know. Let's talk about it. How long did I know I was gay? Obviously not long enough. So this first picture you're seeing is a picture with me and, my last major boyfriend. We dated for 6 months. He was amazing. The second picture here is more recent. And by recent, I mean end of July. That's my 6th grade boyfriend. It's more current now. And we're not actually kissing in that picture, but it's funny. And so it's amazing. But I am gay, so don't get confused. Homophobia. So, as a gay person, I obviously have to deal with this, but I am not personally homophobic. But there are some exceptions, because I do hate myself. My parents are not homophobic either, and that is honestly a win for me. And that's a picture of me at Pride being gay. Well, all of my pictures are me being gay. Because I'm gay. But this is extra gay because I'm wearing rainbows. And rainbows are gay. If you didn't know. It's like the whole pride flag thing. Anyways, what about all of my boyfriends? I had so many. Their egos were obliterated. Just completely and utterly shattered. Ugh, I feel so bad for them. But ultimately, they were boring. Here's me with my first boyfriend. And my second boyfriend. And my third boyfriend. I was just very popular with men. Can you blame them? I'm literally so cute. How could you not want to just date that little face? That's a whole nother thing, though. That's pushing a heteronormative idea onto children. That's a whole nother thing. My parents didn't do it. Disney Channel did. You know what? I don't blame them. Women. We hate them or love them. Well, it's a little bit of both. Again, I am a woman, so I hate myself. But you know what? There are women in this world that are beautiful and talented and fantastic. I know some of those women. But some of them I don't, like Taylor Swift. And you know what? That's on me. I should have tried harder to know her. I wish I did. I wish I did try harder. But that's okay. There are some women that, I can't stand. And honestly, I don't think I should name them. Because I think it's offensive. But I will be honest. There are a few. And I'm a lesbian, and it's okay. I can admit that because, as a lesbian, I don't have to like every woman. Because it's as a straight woman, you don't have to like every man, correct? Correct. I know I'm right. I'm always right. Because I am. Oh, but this is a woman I do love. She's always on my mind. This is my girlfriend. She's perfect, amazing. I love her. And ultimately, she's, I'm gay. And she's perfect. Thank you.